Welcome to Frost RV. We are Tucson's newest RV dealer and strive to be the best. We have been in the RV industry for over 20 years and we have figured out how to deliver the same unit at a much better value. Check us out 24/7 at www.frostrv.com. Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Forest River Forester 2941. This Forest River is a great value with less than 22,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Award-winning floor plan with 2 slides in the front area, front entertainment center, flat screen upgrade, booth dinette with 3 bay windows, sofa sleeper, room to cook with lots of counter space, 2-door fridge, duct air conditioning, awning, 4,000-watt Onan generator, walk-around queen bed, Ford E450 chassis, V10 engine with plenty of power, very well cared for and easy to drive. Thank you for viewing the Frost RV channel.